How we doing, Mighty Mustangs and Mustang families? Welcome to step 2. This is our flexibility hurdle jumping challenge. You're going to need about 3 objects today to be your hurdles. I am using a shoe box, another box, and then another box. You don't have to use boxes. If you don't have boxes, you can use baskets. You can use water bottles. You can set them up like hurdles. You need 3 objects to jump over. Those are going to be your hurdles. You can use pillows. Whatever you have, you find something to be your hurdles. Once you get your 3 hurdles, you're going to set these up. I'm going to put one about right here. I'm going to put one here. And I'm going to put one here. They're about maybe about 4 or 5 steps apart. Those are our hurdles. Now, once you have your hurdles set up, our flexibility hurdle jumping challenge is going to look like this. You're going to start on one side. You're going to jump, jump, jump. Then you're going to do a stretch for 5 seconds. This challenge in step 2, we're going to do upper body stretches. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to stretch any muscle from my waist up. I'm going to go ahead and start with my right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 point. I'm going to jump back. Jump, jump, jump. Stretch my other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2 points. You're going to continue this flexibility hurdle jumping challenge for the entire song. So whatever song you're listening to, when that song's over, your challenge is over. You can keep doing the challenge as many times as you want to get some good exercise, build up that cardio and your flexibility. Are you ready for the flexibility hurdle jumping challenge? I am. Let's see how I do. Alexa, play Kidz Bop High Hopes.
Playing High Hopes from your library on Amazon Music.
Jump, jump, jump. Right on. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. 1. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. 2, 2, 3. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. 3. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. That's 4. I'm going to do some neck stretches. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. That's 5. 1, 2, 3. There's some stretches on my wrist. These are kind of forearm stretches. Wrist stretches. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. 5. I'm going to take my wrist and I'm going to stretch. I'm going to push in this way. It's going to stretch these muscles here on your arm. It's going to stretch your wrist as well. So 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. That's 6. I'm going to lean to one side, stretch my side muscles and my back muscles a little bit. 7. I'm going to lean to the other side. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. That's 8. I'm going to do the same stretch, but I'm going to kind of tilt back. That's going to stretch your abdominal muscles, those tummy muscles. That was 9. I'm going to tilt back this way. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 10. Now I'm going to kind of bend down and reach for my toes. I'm going to stretch my back a little bit. Kind of stretches your legs too. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. 11. Now, I'm going to go back to my right arm, pull it back this way. These are upper body stretches. 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5. 12. 3. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. All right. I got to 12 points during our flexibility hurdle jumping challenge. Let's see how you can do. My upper body muscles are all stretched out. I am ready to move. Let's see how you do.